So in this video, I am drawing up some of my solution into my pipette to measure the amount that I use. So I place my thumb over it and I measure from the bottom of my meniscus where it is at. And I will record that value in my notebook. And then now I'm going to drop some of the liquid into my flask, making sure that I stop it before it runs out completely. I will read the bottom value and record it into my notebook. So here I'll be using the spectrophotometer. So I'm going to take my cuvette and clean off two sides of it with a clean cloth. Now I'm going to place my cuvette into the spectrophotometer, being sure that the two sides that I just cleaned off are the sides where the light will shine through the cuvette. And I will go ahead and close the spectrophotometer lid, getting ready for the test. This is a video of my notebook. Here I'm showing you my absorptions and concentrations. This is the calculation portion of my notebook where I calculated the molarities of each of my solutes. This next part of my notebook is where I use my graph. So I put my absorption on my y-axis, my concentration on my x-axis, and I'm solving for this one unknown right here. So what I did was I plotted both my graphs on Excel, got my r squared, and I used it to find my unknown. These are my serial dilutions. So what I did was I started with my main solute, and I put a little bit into this next cuvette and added some water. And then what I did was I kept doing that from the second to the third to the fourth, and kept adding water. And that's how I reached these. And these help me have more points on my calibration curve.